In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Device Connection right away. Now select Connection Preferences. Click on Printing at the bottom and then select Default Print Service. Now wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different service, disable this one by tapping on blue switcher. Click on the back button and select Add Service. Now download the best one for your printer, in my case HP one. When your service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Lastly, click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!